If you want to disable the touchscreen on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar just search this. Now just install this app on your tablet. Then tap on Open. Now just set up this app on your tablet. Now just tap on OK and tap on Enable. Now from here just scroll down and enable the toggle for touch lock. After you do that, then just go back and enable this toggle. Now just select Enable. Now on this screen just tap on Installed Apps and select Touch Lock. Then enable the toggle for touch lock. Now just select Allow. And after you do that, then just go back. And from here, just tap on Show. Now after you set up this app, a small ball will appear on the screen. Now as you can see, the touch of the screen is currently working. Now to disable the touch of the screen, just tap on the lock icon over here. And once you do that, you will lock the touch of the screen. Just like that. Now if you want to disable the touch lock, just double tap on the screen. Now just double tap on this icon. And once you do that, the touch of the screen will be unlocked. And this is how you can disable the touch screen on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.